Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your premier source for innovative and lucrative business ideas. We're here to serve a smorgasbord of knowledge, inspiration, and advice to all entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts out there. Our channel is a vibrant hub where we explore the manifold aspects of entrepreneurship, from the smallest startups to the most grandiose enterprises. We believe in the power of ideas and the potential they hold to shape the world. Here at HouseLux Estate, we're committed to sharing valuable content designed to equip you with the tools to make your business dreams a reality. We delve into the nitty-gritty of various industries, providing insights and strategies that have been proven to work. So whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, we've got you covered. Today, we bring you 10 self-running business ideas you need to try. So sit back, relax, and let's explore these potential goldmines together. First on our list is starting an e-commerce store. The beauty of the digital world is that it opens up the global marketplace to you, right from the comfort of your home. E-commerce is teeming with potential, with the market expected to grow exponentially in the coming years. Now, let's talk about dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products directly from the manufacturer to the customer without ever handling the inventory yourself. It's an excellent way to start an e-commerce store without a hefty upfront investment. The advantages of this business model are plentiful. It allows for flexibility, scalability, and a wide range of product offerings. Plus, with the right strategies, you could have a largely self-running business, perfect for those looking to dip their toes into entrepreneurship without giving up their day job. An e-commerce store can be a lucrative venture with minimal oversight once set up. Our second idea is blogging. Now, before you dismiss it as a mere hobby, think again. Blogging has evolved into a lucrative business model. It's like owning a piece of digital real estate that can generate income in several ways. Firstly, you can earn through advertising. Companies pay to display their ads on popular blogs, and every click or impression adds to your income. Secondly, there's sponsored content. Brands may approach you to write a post about their product or service, and they'll pay you for this promotion. Lastly, there's affiliate marketing. You recommend a product or service to your readers, and for every sale made through your referral, you earn a commission. Here's the best part. Once you've set up your blog and it gains traction, these income streams can be largely passive. You can be earning money while you sleep. So, yes, blogging can be a self-running business that generates passive income. At number 3, we have online course creation. Now, everyone is an expert at something, right? That's where online courses come into play. With the surge in e-learning, you can monetize your expertise by creating and selling courses online. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or a teaching certificate. You can create a course about anything you're passionate about. Maybe you're a whiz at baking sourdough bread, or you have a knack for digital marketing. Whatever it is, there's likely a hungry audience out there waiting to learn from you. All you need is a computer, a good internet connection, and a lot of passion. Once your course is up and running, it can generate income while you sleep. You create it once, and it continues to sell over and over again. That's the beauty of online courses. They can be a great source of passive income. Fourth on our list is real estate investment. It's a strategy that has stood the test of time, generating significant returns for those who venture into it. But what makes real estate such a lucrative investment? Well, with real estate, you have the potential to earn money in 2 ways. Firstly, through rental income, which can provide a steady stream of cash flow. Secondly, through appreciation, as property values tend to increase over time. Moreover, real estate often serves as a hedge against inflation. As living costs rise, so too can your rental income and property value. While it requires a significant initial investment, the potential returns can make it well worth the effort. And the best part, once you've established your portfolio, it can largely run itself. You can even hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day tasks, making it a truly self-running business. Real estate investment requires initial effort but can run itself once established. Halfway through our list, at number 5, we have automated car wash. Picture this, a business that needs minimal human intervention, runs on a straightforward process, and has a high demand. Intriguing, isn't it? That's the allure of an automated car wash. The initial setup cost may seem hefty, with the price of acquiring the right equipment and securing a suitable location. However, once up and running, the operation costs are relatively low, and the business can practically run itself. The beauty of an automated car wash lies in its simplicity. Customers drive in, select their preferred service, and the machines do the rest. You won't need a large staff. A few people to oversee operations and handle minor issues will suffice. And let's not forget the potential profitability. With the increasing number of vehicles on the road, the demand for car wash services is unlikely to diminish anytime soon. Despite the initial setup cost, an automated car wash can be a profitable venture. A sixth on our list is the vending machine business. This fascinating business model is known for its low maintenance and high profit potential. Imagine having a silent salesperson working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's exactly what a vending machine is. From snacks to beverages, personal care items to electronics, the possibilities are endless. You stock the machines with products and they do the selling for you. And the best part? They never call in sick or take a vacation. You can place your vending machines in high-traffic areas like shopping malls, office buildings, or schools, and watch as they generate income round the clock. You only need to check in occasionally to restock and collect your earnings. The startup costs can be relatively low, especially if you start small. And as your business grows, you can reinvest your profits to scale up. A vending machine business can be a great source of passive income. At number 7, we have the fitness center. Fitness centers are a fantastic business idea that, once established, can essentially run themselves. With the rising trend of health consciousness and active lifestyles, fitness centers are more popular than ever. The initial setup cost can be substantial, as you'll need to invest in high-quality equipment and a suitable location. However, once the center is up and running, it can generate a steady income with minimal supervision. Your primary responsibilities will include routine maintenance of the equipment and ensuring cleanliness of the facility. You may also want to hire a few fitness instructors to conduct classes or provide personal training services. A membership model is a popular choice, offering different tiers of services to accommodate a variety of budgets. The key to success lies in the location. Choose a spot that's easily accessible and visible to attract maximum footfall. A fitness center can be a profitable venture with the right location and management. 8th on our list is starting a laundromat. A laundromat is a self-service laundry business where customers can wash and dry their clothes in commercial-grade machines. This business model has a high potential due to its ability to meet a basic need: clean clothes. The initial setup cost for a laundromat can vary greatly depending on the size and location, but generally, it's a substantial investment. You'll need to purchase commercial-grade washing machines and dryers, a payment system, and possibly a change machine. However, once up and running, a laundromat can essentially run itself. Customers do their own washing and drying, and modern machines can handle payments directly, reducing the need for staff. Routine maintenance and occasional repairs are the main operational tasks. Income can be generated 24/7, as many laundromats are open around the clock. And with the right location, such as near apartment buildings or college campuses, customer demand can be steady and reliable. A laundromat can be a profitable business with minimal supervision. At number 9, we have the food truck business. Now, this isn't just about flipping burgers in a van. It's about taking gourmet food to the streets, making high-quality cuisine accessible and mobile. The initial setup cost can be quite steep, considering the purchase of a truck and kitchen equipment. But remember, the real investment is in the food you serve and the brand you build. Once your food truck is up and running, it's essentially a self-operating venture. You've got a mobile kitchen, a menu that you're passionate about, and a brand that people recognize. With the right location, perhaps a bustling city street or a popular event, and a menu that makes taste buds tingle, you've got a recipe for success. The beauty of a food truck is its flexibility. You can change locations based on demand, experiment with your menu, and directly interact with your customers. A food truck can be a lucrative venture with the right location and menu. Finally, at number 10, we have self-publishing. In this age of digital abundance, your words and ideas can find a global audience. If you're a wordsmith or have a story to share, self-publishing is a brilliant avenue to consider. It's not just about novels or poetry either. Think guidebooks, cookbooks, how-to manuals, and more. The process is simple. Write your masterpiece, get it edited, design a captivating cover, and choose your publishing platform. The most popular ones are Amazon Kindle, Direct Publishing, and Smashwords. They offer a direct route to your readers and a handsome share of the profits too. What's more, the magic of self-publishing is in its scalability. Once your book is out there, it can sell over and over, creating a steady stream of income. Talk about writing your own success story. self-publishing can be a great source of passive income. These were the top 10 self-running business ideas you need to try. As we've journeyed together, we've discovered the vast potential of each of these ventures. From the boundless world of e-commerce, where you can sell virtually anything to anyone, to the limitless realm of blogging, where your passion can become your paycheck. We've delved into the lucrative field of online course creation, where sharing your expertise can be a goldmine. We've explored real estate investment, a time-tested wealth builder, and the automated car wash business, a classic that never goes out of style. We've looked at vending machines, a simple yet profitable venture, and fitness centers, where health and wealth go hand in hand. We've examined the laundromat business, a necessity-based venture, and the ever-popular food truck business for the gastronomically inclined. Last but not least, we've tackled self-publishing, where your words can become your wealth. Thank you for tuning into House Lux Estate. Don't forget to subscribe for more innovative business ideas.